G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here with Steve and we're at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. Steve, the big thing at the moment is auto electrics, people wanting to put more and more sophisticated equipment onto their caravans, onto their trailers, so people are involved with solar. Would that be one of the things they're doing?
Solar is one of the bigger ones, upgrading battery management systems, more panels on roofs.
And the people who have got older vans, they're now getting reversing cameras, I guess?
We're getting a lot more sort of coming in lately.
Makes sense, doesn't it?
It does,
yeah,
definitely.
So Steve, this van behind us, that's come in for some electrical work. What actually happened here?
It has, it's actually got hit from behind.
Oh.
And the batteries jumped up in their tray.
Yeah.
Shorted out on the frame, melting a lot of wiring down the side of the caravan. So yeah, we've had to remove the panels, cut the old stuff out and put new stuff in.
So if you've got a problem and you need your auto electrics done properly for your caravan or trailer, what you've got to do is come to Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and the easiest thing to do is to go to their website, boldtcrc.com.au. That's boldtcrc.com.au. You can come down to the new facilities at Miranda, which are just massive, and the beaut part is you can just drive straight in. The team will come out, they'll unhitch for you, look after you perfectly. boldtcrc.com.au. Thanks, Steve.
Not a problem. Thank you.